Hello, viewers. This is Bala Saraswati, LD Remedial Coach from the LD Remedial system, where we help children who are struggling in academics to help them online. And today I have Swapna Mahesh from Bangalore, who had been an HR expert or working in the HR field, and she shifted to become a remedial educator to help children across the country. Welcome, Swapna, for this interview. And I would now want you to share your journey as to what was your past, what were you doing, what made you switch to becoming a remedial educator.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot for your warm welcome. Hello, everyone. I am Swapna Mahesh. I worked as a HR admin in Infosys Technologies in Bangalore. I decided to shift my career when I saw my husband's cousin. He was idle at the age of 25. Upon inquiry, I was informed that he cannot understand the basic concept of language and math. I used to help him out, but then I understood the way he learns is totally different. This made me more curious to know why some children learn differently. So then I did a deep study to know more about the subject. Then I came across Montessori system, where the entire system was designed and developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, wherein children learn through hands-on experience with multisensory activities. I pursued my certifications in Montessori system. I did my diploma in Montessori in pre-primary level and primary, and did my NTT as well. I did not stop here. To upgrade myself, I attended many webinars to work with children with special needs and with learning disability children. My passion to work with children with special needs helped me to work as a special educator in an inclusive school in Bangalore.
Great.
I help many children with ADHD, ADD, Down syndrome, autism, and many more learning disability children. But I used to run from pillars to post to find the solutions for the difficulty faced by these children. I came across Bala Ma'am's session, which inspired me to join her LD Remedial world, which is filled with doctors, psychologists, educators, and special educators.
Even heads of schools.
Principals as well. Thank you. So this was my journey. So going forward, I'm looking to work with children with learning disability, online classes, to take online classes across boundaries.
Fantastic. What an amazing journey from HR, working as an HR with adults, to working with children who are difficult. It's a real transformation of life, actually. So do you think that the system, or how has this system helped you to learn and help these children?
Ma'am, I must say there are many things which I learned from the system, from your community. There was, I could say, both professionally as well as personally, I transformed myself. All techniques, strategies are unique. It's amazing. It works brilliantly. It works magical on children. I have implemented many such strategies. I must say in that, I could say the one which is that the idea on teaching tables, which wonders, it helped me
Yes.
work with a child with ID. He said to me that, yes, today I taught him the tables. The next day he came and said, ma'am, today is Number's birthday. Why can't we celebrate by singing happy birthday song with the tables? So I was amazed to see this. And secondly, your 20 techniques on teaching and reading comprehension. This was brilliant, ma'am. So I was usually thinking that, okay, we can make only children to read and explain.
Right.
But after knowing these techniques, again, children started loving to read. And this mind map, ma'am. So I was thinking mind map can be implemented only to the elder children, above pre-primary or above primary level.
Right.
But I understand, even we can implement on pre-primary and primary level also. So how we can revise these concepts after teaching them. So every techniques are amazing, ma'am. I don't know how do you get these techniques. It's all because of your experience. So that's how I got influenced with your techniques. And personally, which I would like to say, ma'am, I transform like anything.
So
So
happy.
that I could say that before I used to think a lot. So always, how do I go about? So always negative thoughts was within me. So your ideas, you make us to think out of the box by giving a task each and every day. And the way you ask us to read books, that is power of subconscious book. So which gave me so much energy, which I could feel that, okay, there's so much energy which is there within me, which I didn't know.
Yeah.
The power of subconscious mind, which changed my life. We are listening daily the secrets, these same secrets. That also helped me a lot.
Yeah.
So thanks for all these things, ma'am.
You're welcome, Swapna. It's a community. We are all learning from each other. Lot of children I worked with, I failed. So every time I failed, I used to think, what is it that's not making me able to connect to a child or find a solution? So if you're getting a solution, it's because the child failed. So I'm always grateful to children who could not learn easily. Only then you try to dig out a new way to help a child.
Exactly.
So I'm sure the videos are helping you, like they're helping many other teachers in the community. You would just have to watch the video and go and implement it directly with the child. With that, and you can watch these videos any number of times. And every time I think you watch the video, you get a new idea also.
Exactly.
You get your own new idea from it. Oh, why not let me do this with a child? Amazing. So has it? I'm happy to know it's transformed you personally. Has it also helped you to grow professionally? And how do you do that? How do you conduct your online class? How can parents connect with you if they want to join you in your sessions or in your classes?
Ma'am, initially I was, as I said, I was a special educator working for an Infosys school. So it was a big challenge as we all educators has to face, because the entire education system has to shift online because of pandemic. Then it was a big challenge. I was thinking that how do I make these children to understand? How do I connect with them? But I was wrong. But these children are amazing. They focus so much. Now I could able to connect with them so easily. They respond. I could do many activities with them. Brain gym activities. I started doing meditation, yoga, mudras. So these children are brilliantly, they're focusing now. So only we think that, yes, these children cannot understand.
Yeah.
But their focus are increasing now because it is all one-to-one sessions.
Yes.
So we could bring a lot of changes.
Actually, there is a misconception that online education children are not able to pay attention. Here, when we say online classes, it's not 20, 30 of them. It is just one teacher and one child. So you give your 100% time and come up with lots of resources and ideas. So I think you plan your class in such a way that you have a new, in 40-minute session, I'm sure you're not doing one thing, but you're doing 4 to 5 activities, or you have different goals for that period.
Exactly.
That's how you must be doing it. I'm sure. Amazing. So what is the message you want to give to the parents when you work with such children? What you go through them? How can you prepare parents to start accepting that yes, there are challenges with reading, writing, maths, or whatever with these children, and how they can, either they can learn all these techniques themselves and have their own child, or at least understand what these children are going through. What do you want to share, tell them?
Ma'am, as you say, first we need to love our children and accept them, how they are.
Yeah.
See, they don't know how to express their challenges. But only as a parent or as an educator, we need to understand what exactly happening within them.
Right.
Only then I'll be able to help them out. So parents has to understand each and every minute why there are some challenges happening within them. So only then they could able to help. So we are educators, we are here. And Bala ma'am has given such a brilliant resources for us. Just we need to see them and just implement on these children. So I wanted each and every educator and a normal parent to come and join our community first. Then they themselves will understand where they stand. and they can implement all these techniques so easily that these techniques are amazing. Ma'am has given such a brilliant ideas that each and every parent can implement so easily on the children. And these are result oriented 100%, not 100%, 200%.
Thank you so much for that, Swapna. I'm happy that you're finding so much results. Are you also growing financially after becoming a remedial educator?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to say the confidence level. Each and every time I think, okay, every child is coming, so how do I manage? So I used to scratch my head. Oh, how do I go about it? How do I go about it? So now I'm so happy that each and every child is coming up with, they themselves teach me, yes, this we already learning everything. So you can go ahead the next step.
Wow.
So confident after attending your weekly webinars and after reading those books, I was completely confident, ma'am. And you are just like a energy booster for us. By seeing you, we'll get all confidence.
That's so kind of you.
So big. So even our community members, I must say big applause to our community members.
Yes.
Because it's all because of you, ma'am. The way how you give the positive vibes are coming to us to help others.
Thank you. It's actually, our community is beautiful. When I say community, they're all people who have joined as members in the community. As Swapna says, we have educators, special educators, counselors, doctors, heads of schools, and people who had never been into special education, absolutely, but they just had a good intent of helping somebody. So, which means anybody can learn from this platform with patience and watching these videos consistently and implementing it with the children. You are not only shifting from whatever you are doing, but you are also helping people and most importantly, even making money. So there are teachers who have lost their jobs, or schools who have, reduced their strength of teachers in the school because of the COVID or because of the number of children who have who pulled out from the schools. So this is a platform where any teacher who has the passion to help a child, especially a child who's struggling, can be a part of this community. Join, experience, and help. What you get is not only money, but a lot of blessings. A lot of blessings. All my life, I think 15 to 20 years, I've worked with these children. And I know what it means when you see a child who cannot read an alphabet pass out from class 12th very confidently, become an architect or become a special educator or become a company manager or something. You see that transformation in a child and you feel, yes, you've done something productive in your life. So I congratulate Swapna for making that decision of joining this community, learning from this community, and in fact helping each other also. Swapna is quite efficient in technology. So I can see that wherever somebody is stuck, everybody is there to volunteer and say, come, I'll guide you and help you. So it's a beautiful, it's a very beautiful world where we're all learning from each other and helping each other. So thank you so much. One line message that you want to tell the viewers.
Ma'am, I was thinking that, okay, to help few children, okay, my job is over. So my goal is over. But after understanding the statistics, after attending your webinars, then I understood it's not just few members, it's millions of children who are for us. So I request each and every parent to come and join our community and spread the awareness, because children will not be able to express their feeling, where they got finding the difficult, where they got stuck. So we ourselves should understand. To understand ourselves further, we need to make sure we should grow. How we grow? It's Balamam already has given a beautiful community with our resources. Just you have to implement those resources. So I request each and every parent and a teacher to join our community and help all the millions of children who are waiting for us nook and corner of the world.
Thank you, Swapna. There are 35 million children in our country who are struggling with challenges with learning disability. So those of you who are passionate teachers, I have put the link below. You can come and join my webinar and watch how this whole process happens and join the community. Or those of you parents who are seeing this video and want to help your own child, even you can register and join for the webinar. Also, I have put the link for doing a one-to-one session with me, anyone of you want to do a diagnosis of your child with a one-to-one session, you're welcome to do that. Click the link and register yourself for that. Thank you so much, Swapna, and I wish you all the best. A long way to go. A lot of children are waiting to get that energy from you, the tips from you, the blessings from you. And I want to see you grow, not only personally, professionally, but majorly financially also, right? God bless, and thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot for giving this opportunity. I'm very blessed to be part of the community, and I want to be with you all the time.
once in this community, you are there for lifetime. All right. Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot, ma'am.
Thank you. I just